Alam mo ba na mayroon isla sa Malolos, Bulacan? Ito ang Pamarawan Island. Samahan niyo kami ng aking mga kasama sa Honda Click Nation Philippines sa video kong ito, na puntahan ang kakaibang isla na ito sa Malolos, Bulacan. Mula sa aming bahay ang nag-travel tayo ng 20 minutes papapunta ng Malolos Convention Center, dahil doon tayo magkikita-kita ng mga kaibigan natin sa HCNP o Honda Click Nation Philippines. Mula naman sa Malolos Convention Center, ang nag-travel tayo ng 10 minutes papuntang Panasahan Fish Port upang doon naman tayo sasakay ng bangka patawid na sa Pamarawan Island. Ang pamasahe patawid ng isla ay 50 pesos per head. Pwede din naman kayo magrenta ng isang bangka depende kung ilan kayo.
Kamay po, huwag na titingin. Baka maipin. Hoy, kamay mo, Pap! Ay, kamay mo.
Mandulas yung kapatid.
Gandaan, madulas. Huwag ka nang dudong-dong, madulas. Ay, meron doon sa gitna. Dito ako, andyan ka. Kapilaan.
I'm starting over. I'm starting over. I'm starting over. Oh. Out of sight, out of mind, you are every time I try to tell you how I feel. I try to tell you how I feel. Eyes roll with a heavy sigh.
Pamarawan is an island municipality within the territorial jurisdiction of Malolos City, Bulacan Province. Due to the rich natural resources of the seas, there are different varieties of fish, crabs, prawns, and other sea treasures. The island occupies an area of approximately 264 hectares with 2-kilometer cemented roads with approximately 4,900 people living within the main island. In 1898, the place became a regular barrio and called it Pamarawan, meaning plenty of paro or shrimps according to Kapampangans who once resided the place. Another trivial name comes from the word pamamandawan, or to catch fish. There are lots of houses on the seaside. The way of living of these people is so simple. Some houses are made of bamboo and dried leaves for roof. It is like a nipa hut style. Fishing is the main way of living of Pamarawan Island residents and some nearby places. Some people are creating nipa hut in the place for a shelter. Maraming salamat din kay Paps Lotgardo Borlongan sa pag-imbita sa amin sa inyong isla. Napakasaya at napakasarap ng mga inihaing niyong mga seafood sa amin. At salamat din sa mga members na nakasama at officers ng Honda Click Nation Philippines Bulacan Chapter sa short ride sa malapit na ito. Enjoy talaga sa panibagong experience na ito.